Mark Hopgood, Internal Business Development Manager at OnWave, and this is to go through the way of finding leads for your area. Now, in terms of a unique opportunity, the document describing all of this is available via the links which are visible in our weekly newsletter to partners. But what I'm going to do is show you from scratch how to create a list of potential candidates to speak to regarding hybrid. First of all, if I just show you, this is the onwaveuk.wordpress.com. That's where you can find the how to identify leads for the hybrid connectivity solution. And you can give me a ring for the password for that. All partners can access this. Okay, well, first of all, we're going to have a look at areas and how to identify what areas have got poor connectivity. So first of all, we're going to go to maps.thinkbroadband.com. That's maps, M-A-P-S. And then the next one that we're going to do is to type in a postcode or an area. So I'm going for Plymouth in this case, and I'll refine that later. So once I've typed in my postcode, I've got a map of the area. I can now enable the estimated speeds. So click on Enable here, and that shows me areas of green, which are 16 megabits and above. The average in the UK at the moment is 17.5, so average speeds in green. Yellow are sort of medium speeds, which would be acceptable for home use, and then red speeds are poor speeds. So what we're going to have a look at is this particular area here. Let me just zoom in. It's called Tamerton Foliot, and you can see that there's a lot of very poor connectivity in the area, so ideal candidates for businesses and residentials in the area. So what I'm going to do now is just show you how to get the Yale map up of businesses in the area. Okay, so Tamerton Foliot is already typed in for me. You just type in the area. Now, in this case, if I'm looking for businesses, I can type in star.star. That'll give me every business. I click on Show on Map and click on Search, and then we have a list of the businesses in Tamerton Foliot. So if I go back to the broadband map, you can see that there's actually no green areas in here. So they're all potential candidates. So let's go for the EL. So let's choose one here. Let's say, for example, I was looking at hotels, guest houses, etc. So what I'm going to choose here is Queen's Arms, and then I can go to the postcode checker, and I'll go to kits. Now you'll need the link here, kits.co.uk, ADSL, ADSLchecker.php, and that link is in our newsletter as well. So once I go there, then I can put my postcode in and the telephone number. So I'm just going to copy that. Just select that, copy, and then paste that in. Okay, so I've got a line check result coming up now. The thing that I'm looking for is the speeds that are available. Fixed ADSL will give you an idea about the speed that's available for that location. 1 megabit, which is really slow, and then the RAG test results, red, amber, green. So there's an amber light against the test results, and you can see there's 1 megabits per second. So there's some availability for the dial-up as well, or slower speeds. So it's a real poor connectivity speed. So if this particular business was offering broadband to their customers or Wi-Fi access, then they'd be really struggling in getting them a decent speed. So let's just go back through where we are. So in our document, we've actually got the links in here. First of all, checking the area for connectivity. Then you've got the YEL postcodes, and then you can check the specific speed using the ADSL checker. So for example, if I go back to that again, if I'm looking for, say, for example, letting agents, because one of the target areas that we've got involve lettings and being able to get people access to the web. So here's the list here. Right, so hopefully that's been useful for you. From this document and from the 3 links, you should be able to get a list of qualified, super qualified leads for your business for promoting hybrid. Okay, and if you've got any questions, it's Mark Hopgood. You'll have received my weekly newsletter, and there's my telephone number there, 0203 434 2121. All right, thank you.